In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use TradingView drawing templates to streamline your chart plotting process. TradingView is a powerful tool for traders, offering a variety of drawing tools that allow for precise technical analysis, but you don't need to start from scratch every time you want to draw on a chart. By creating and applying drawing templates, you can save time and ensure consistency across your analysis. Let's dive right into creating a new template first. Begin by selecting a drawing tool from the left-hand toolbar. This could be a trend line, a rectangle, or any other tool that suits your needs. Once you've chosen the tool, you'll want to customize its properties in the Settings menu. Here you can adjust settings such as color, thickness, and line style to match your specific preferences or the aesthetic you're aiming for. Customizing these settings allows the tool to reflect your unique trading style or to highlight particular aspects of the chart you want to focus on. After customizing the tool, you'll need to save these settings as a template. To do this, click on the Templates icon, which appears as three squares with a plus sign. This is located typically above your chart area. From the drop-down menu, select Save Drawing Template. It's important to give your new template a memorable name, something that suggests its function or the settings it contains. Once you've named it, simply click Save. Now you have a new template ready to use whenever you need it. Now let's move on to applying a saved template. First, select the same drawing tool that you used to create the template. Plot this tool onto your chart, placing it exactly where you want it. Next, right-click on the newly drawn element. This will bring up a context menu. From this menu, choose the Template option. You'll then see a list of all your saved templates. Select the one you wish to apply and click OK to proceed. This action will apply all your previously saved custom settings to the new drawing, giving you a perfectly consistent tool each time. Finally, here's a quick tip to boost your efficiency when using these templates. If you plan on drawing multiple instances of the same template, try enabling the Stay in Drawing Mode button on the left menu bar. This feature allows you to keep the drawing tool activated, letting you place multiple tools sequentially without needing to reselect the tool each time. By doing so, you can greatly speed up your charting process when you're working on more extensive technical analysis. And that's it. Using TradingView drawing templates is a straightforward way to make your charting more efficient and consistent, leaving you more time to focus on making informed trading decisions.